All right. Let's look at this rock wall here. Go this way. I got this feeling that day I came here, like I'd been here in a previous life or something, you know? Like I knew this place for thousands of years or something. So it's so sheltered. And the rocks kind of make faces in ways, in certain spots. It looks like a meteorite. I always thought that looked like a meteorite, you know? It's stuck in the ground. Got so many faces on it. It's like weird. Or not faces, but like faces, facets. Yeah, yeah. Although there probably are some faces in the facets. Yeah, it doesn't look like it was hammered on, but it just cracked them apart that way. It's got that shelf up there I've never climbed up there. I've been threatening to a few times, but I never have.
You have to climb down somewhere.
Yeah, I'd want to bring a rope if I went up it. And tie the rope and come down. But that goes back a ways, and there's another little waterfall, I think. And yeah, the water's about a little over knee deep right there at the spot. Come in here when it's like 90, you know, and the air's just misted out. It's like 75 and misty in here, you know. The whole area is nice in here.
It's a lot like the little town in the Middle by the Dells. It's about the size of the waterfall. It was much deeper and had a couple more clouds, but it's really similar, and that's what it felt like on a hot day. If it was 100 degrees for like 2 to 14 days straight, the day I got to the Dell, that was June 1st, and it was 100 degrees, and then it stayed that way till the 13th.
Normal in the Dell. If we rocked this up all the way across, this would be a pool. That's new mission. Start digging all these rocks. Yeah, build a wall here. That would be awesome. It'd be a total.
And that's why they're all.
Well, in the spring, I think the water flows like up to here for a while. I mean, it just rushes. Probably would blow them down. Yeah, up the sides of it. There's few rivers around here that are like that. They get huge in the spring.
Yeah, you can see roots like that. So it goes like that.
Yeah, that probably waterfalls off of that side. Right there, the waterfall, and it's blasted it off of the... I'm surprised that tree's still alive. The roots of it are just ridiculous.
Well, it's gonna fall eventually.
I mean, it's healthy though. Look how solidly this fucker's in the rocks. It's like, I don't know. It might be securely connected into the hillside enough that it, you know. Look at this thing. That almost looks like I could push it over. Better not. That's a heavy rock. I didn't even budge it. No. No, I don't think I could either. Oh yeah, there's the waterfall channel. Then it just washes out there. That'd be cool to put like a time-lapse camera in here in the spring and catch it from when it starts to flow heavy to when it tapers down or something.
This happened to be caught there?
Could be, yeah.
Could have been. That's intense. That's probably the height.
Yeah. All right. Hi. I love this place. Especially in the summer when it's hot. This looks like a road. It almost looks like a road used to go there. An old road. I don't know. See the face on that flat spot? Like in the moss coloration, the light colored nose. Good point. I can't see that shit. It's like a transformer. Like right there. Right there. There's the nose. Yeah, a jackal. All right.
Look at all the holes that are in it. That looks like beautiful, actually. I think the holes are from where rocks have dropped out from the sky.
That's from the impact of that meteor up there that's embedded under the waterfall. It's a triplet.
I like twin trees.
It might just be a triplet tree, right? A twin of a twin. Kind of. Well, this is definitely the twins on the bottom there. There's that third one, the upstart, is the youngest of the triplets. When the third one popped out.
You know what I found that's weird? Okay, at Orchard Park, there's two of them. It's called a bowl. Pole, and it's a tree that's a dwarf. It's only this tall, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly healthy. It doesn't have any branches or anything, but it's perfectly alive. It's not a stump. A stump means it's been killed, right? And so think about it. Even trees have their
like,
own retarded.
Not a bonsai, but too big to be a bonsai and too small to be a tree.
When there's a stump that's like this big around and this tall, and it has like a nose on it, and it's perfectly alive bark, which is beautiful, even on its top and everything. But there's no branches or nothing, and there's no reason to say that it's not a tree. It is a tree.
Yeah, well,
It's just a retarded one.
it's
They have their,
it's just the stump sticking up.
their genetic hookups too, you know?
Mutation.
I mean, I just realized, a couple weeks ago, it's like, it's a perfectly viable tree, you know?
You could get wood from it and like make something out of it. You could whittle, as long as you could whittle it.
I don't think it's symbiotic that it grows off the other tree. It's its own tree. There's two of them. It just never occurred to me before that it was alive. Isn't that hemlock?
I don't know. It's a very stiff, coarse leaf. It's like tough. Tasty. I think I saw, when I was a kid, I remember seeing a mountain goat up there once.
What is it with goats?
That almost looked like a cave to the left.
What is it with goats, man? The steeper it is, the more likely they'll be there.
They're safe there. I mean, they're the only ones that can traverse the land, you know.
But man, that's a lot farther away than it looks.
Probably an eighth of a mile to those.
I can hike up there, no problem.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
All day. Take you 2 days to get to the top.
Nah, it wouldn't take me 2 days. It would probably take 3 hours, I would guess, at least. I mean, it ain't gonna happen. If you got some ropes and a hook, you might be a little faster.